Guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we are going to do another video on a quick fix for you guys if you guys have Chrysler vehicles, particularly Chrysler 200s, but any Chrysler vehicle, particularly the new one. If you guys have these vehicles and you guys experience stalling after a start, or if you guys start up, put it in drive and it stalls on you and it cuts off, I'm going to tell you guys what you guys can do to fix this problem and what causes this issue. All right, so if you guys have one of these vehicles, you guys probably know that there's some safeguards. They put in safeguards for vehicle limp mode. Sometimes if you have a check engine light, even if it's fixed, it'll put your vehicle into some kind of self-protect mode. It's not going to be operating at 100%. But this problem here is a little bit on the more extreme ends of trying to keep your vehicle from any kind of damage. So a lot of people who have this problem, you guys have this problem, what you guys want to do is you guys want to check on your oil level. If your oil level is low, you might have this problem. You might want to just fill it up or get an oil change. You might have this problem, I've heard, if you guys need an oil change. It is the weirdest thing. It is one of the weirdest weirder things as far as safeguarding the manufacturer trying to safeguard the vehicle from further damage to itself, I guess. But strangely enough, people who have experienced this problem, A, they don't get a check engine light, and B, they don't get a light for low oil. But there are many people who have had this issue and solved this issue by checking their engine oil level, and if it's low, they'll fill it up, and once it reaches whatever the level is, as far as the level that it needs to be maintained, it drives absolutely fine again. So or you get into this situation where you might need an oil change. I know it's kind of weird, but out of all the things that it could cost you to repair, as far as repairing your vehicle and having it drive right again, it's one of those things where it's more of a nuisance than it is something that is very, very expensive. But if you guys have a similar issue, and if you guys resolved it this way, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know if this has helped you guys out. Please drop a comment, please subscribe, and hope this has helped you guys. All right, guys, take care.